401k to Gold IRA Rollover with $70,000 for retirement planning without penalty. Transform your retirement strategy by rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA with $70,000. Diversifying into gold offers a strong defense against economic instability. Here's a straightforward guide to achieve this without penalties. 1. Understand IRS regulations. Ensure you know the IRS rules for 401k rollovers to avoid penalties. 2. Choose a reputable custodian. Select a trusted custodian to manage your Gold IRA. 3. Initiate a direct rollover. Directly transfer funds to your Gold IRA custodian to comply with IRS guidelines. 4. Diversify within your Gold IRA. Invest in various gold forms like coins, bars, and securities to spread risk. 5. Evaluate market trends. Study gold market trends before rolling over to make informed decisions. 6. Consult a financial advisor. Get expert advice to navigate the rollover process effectively. 7. Understand storage options. Learn about secure storage solutions for your gold. 8. Review fee structures. Be aware of account setup, storage, and maintenance fees. 9. Stay informed on taxes. Know the tax implications, especially for after-tax contributions. 10. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly check and adjust your portfolio to align with your retirement goals. By following these steps, you can seamlessly roll over your 401k to a Gold IRA, ensuring a stable and prosperous retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.